What is up, guys? Down on the side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add tags to your Stripe. So first, you need to head over to your Stripe's website, and then you need to log in with your account credentials. And after that, when you have logged in and then you're redirected to the home page, on the left side, you will see the option of payment links. Simply click on this payment links, and then here you will see all your products. So choose the product to which you want to add the text, and after that, click on these three dots and click on edit. After clicking on edit, here you will see in the option section the option to collect tax automatically. Simply check this checkbox and then click on setup. After clicking on setup, you need to enter all your tax details here in the Stripes dashboard. Here, as you can see, you have the option to get started with the automated taxes on all your direct and connect platform transactions. Simply click on get started and then simply enter all the bank account or tax details of your business. As you can see, you have the option to collect tax for my business. Check this checkbox and enable my connected accounts to collect tax. Check this checkbox too and collect tax on my connected accounts. Check this checkbox too and then click on next. And this is how you can set up all your taxes to your Stripe account. So that was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.